Thank you for everyone who submitted a video from last week from the ball challenge. Remember last week you had to take a ball and land it inside of a cup. So here are a couple of the entries from last week. Now that you saw those activities, this one is going to be a little bit different this week. This is actually a race that you can do against your parents, against your family, anything that you want. All you're going to need is each person is going to need 3 cups, and then you're going to need 2 pieces of paper. So if you've ever seen the magic trick where someone takes a tablecloth and pulls it out and the things still stay there, that's what this game is actually centered around. The objective is the game is that you have to stack your orange cups on top of your papers. It's going to be a race when you say go for the first person who can get the cups to fall down in place. Hopefully I can do this on the first try. Okay, so your goal is to make it down to the bottom. If you make a mistake and it falls over, then you have to start over. Now, what does this have to do with science? What does this have to entail? Well, if you ever notice that when someone goes to pull a tablecloth off, that the items are going to go for a little bit, but not a whole bunch. What that means is there's a little bit of friction that causes the items to move, but if you move it fast enough, then the items don't go with you. So when you're playing this game, be careful. You can use different paper. Test out different paper. This is poster board. Then I have regular paper. And then I have notebook paper. Also, test out and see what cups are better. You could use these cups. You could use these cups. You could also use smaller cups. Test out different cups. But also remember, have fun while you're doing this. And don't try to mess up. If you would like to complete the second part of this challenge, it is see how high you can get it and land it on the first time. So I am going to try 4, and hopefully I can land it. So what I would like you to do is see how high you can make it, and then send me your video of you landing all that down to the bottom.